XRP has been on a winning streak, dominating the just concluded crypto bull run from a few months back alongside Dogecoin. And even though engaged in an ongoing lawsuit with the SEC, this digital asset has recorded quite some significant wins in price action and even in the ongoing case. Even though a few crypto analysts scoff in the face of this digital asset, there's no denying the fact that XRP's long-term viability has been long established due to the company's partnership with more than 300 institutions. The good thing is, XRP is here to stay. You want to know the best thing about it all? You get massive gains by sticking to this digital asset and holding on to it for the long run. If this is your first time on the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Don't forget you can join our free Discord group via the link in the description for daily signals and a community of like-minded traders and investors. And now, you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular investment goals. And we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for VIP access on Discord, which gives you exclusive benefits far beyond the free features. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and in the pinned comment. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. When you hear the likes of renowned crypto hedge fund manager Mike Novogratz has invested approximately 30% of his entire fortune into cryptocurrencies, out of which XRP is included, you start to wonder what these elites are up to. In the same light, we add yet another new billionaire to the XRP bandwagon, in the person of Mark Cuban, an expert investor who is also a Dogecoin supporter. In what looks to be an outrage towards another billionaire crypto proponent, Elon Musk gets slammed at the Bitcoin 2021 conference by the host of the Kaiser Report. Max Kaiser, who had earlier proposed Bitcoin's price to hit $220,000 following hash rate adjustments, has taken Elon Musk's influence over Bitcoin a little bit too personally. There's no denying that those who bought into the XRP mania from a few years back must have made some incredible gains, and that's not even the highlight of it yet. The good thing is, this coin will hit massive gains for those who hold on to the token from now onwards. Ripple has been in the crypto sphere for quite some time now, as one of the pioneer cryptocurrency platforms long before the advent of Ethereum's Ether and the Binance coin. This blockchain-based fintech startup has already laid down plans to garner the trust of traditional and prominent financial institutions. Unlike most other cryptocurrencies out on the market, the Ripple platform is not designed to replace the conventional financial system, as is the goal of the rest of the decentralized finance ecosystem. By utilizing the blockchain-based distributed ledger technology, Ripple has set up a platform that would facilitate the old system of cross-border transactions, hence attracting the attention of the world's leading financial corporations while garnering the complete confidence of investors as a safer investment compared to other cryptos. XRP has a pre-mined amount of tokens, exactly 100 billion, and that's the maximum number of XRP coins that will ever exist. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies, it's not mined. Instead, it disperses based on a predetermined schedule or consensus mechanism. For that reason, it's not prone to inflation, as more financial corporations buy into Ripple and its products, such as XVIA, XRapid, and XCurrent. As more financial institutions invest in Ripple products, the value of the underlying XRP token increases. However, the SEC lawsuit has been a stumbling block to seeing this asset reach all-time gains. And if you've been following this lawsuit, you would have seen how the SEC continuously argues that XRP is not a currency but a security, hence suing the company and its top two executives while calling for the disgorgement of the $1.3 billion in unregistered security tokens that were sold back in 2013. Contrary to widespread thought, though, both Ripple and XRP operate on different systems, although of a single organization. But I am confident once this settlement with the SEC is reached, we'll have a clear verdict on how exactly the distinction between these two comes into play. The class action lawsuit filed against Ripple Labs and its executives subsequently had the XRP token price plummeting to lower lows. And this comes as a result of the fact that most investors still see both the company and the token as a single entity. But on the flip side, we've seen a resurgence in XRP's price and Ripple's reputation, following the fintech's lead in the ongoing lawsuit. While critics still see this as an opportunity to jeer our favorite crypto project, XRP enthusiasts and members of the XRP community, aka the XRP Army, see this news as bullish for XRP. You know what they say, there's no such thing as a completely safe investment. Whether it's crypto, stocks, NASDAQ, you name it. These different types of investments are all fraught with their own level of volatility, each with its fair share of unpredictability. We know that Ripple's centralized modus operandi eradicates permissions, hence more open to censorship. And this consideration emanates from the fact that users' licenses and rights could be on the line with this one, given the platform's architecture is such that complete control of the platform lays in the hands of a small number of people within the Ripple team, the very autonomy that modern-day blockchain technology was created to destroy. Ripple is a software development company that engages in developing software platforms that could entail fast, secure, and cheaper global financial transactions. These transactions, however, are to be powered by the Ripple platform's underlying cryptocurrency, XRP. But does Ripple, the company, control XRP? Well, let's listen to what Ripple's CTO David Schwartz has to say about that. According to David, who happens to be one among the original trio that designed the XRP ledger, Ripple and the XRP token are two different entities. Following an AMA on the popular question and answer website Quora, Schwartz had earlier responded to a question regarding Ripple pulling XRP strings. His response was, absolutely not. The XRP ledger is open source technology with a robust community of developers. So if Ripple were to vanish, XRP and the XRP ledger will remain. By design, XRP is an independent digital asset and transactions are validated in a completely decentralized manner through the consensus process, which means the stakeholders in the network are the ones who collectively power the transactions, not any individual or entity. However, Ripple is a perfect investment option for investors looking to go into cryptocurrencies for the long term. The Ripple project is one of the most successful crypto-based financial projects, seeing it has managed to onboard various large financial institutions onto its platform. Even though Ripple Labs runs a monopolistic system on the XRP token, the company wields and controls about 61% of the available supply. Its CTO had stated that the company does not maintain XRP or the XRP ledger in any way, adding that the XRP ledger and its native token are independent assets beyond the control of the fintech startup. Contrary to popular belief, the distributed ledger's mechanism allows for third-party validators on the platform. Now, I know many critics would say that the Ripple project operates on an open-source code base. While this is good for developers on the platform, it makes the platform more vulnerable since it's available to the general public. But that argument doesn't really mean it's worse than other projects, as we've seen several crypto platforms and exchanges also being hacked in the past. Are you still thinking about investing in XRP? Well, here are a few pointers to keep in mind. In the long run, Ripple's success or failure, whether on its business end or in the ongoing lawsuit, does not in any way affect the price of XRP, as these are two different entities. And even if Ripple loses the case, which is highly unlikely, that does not eradicate the existence of the XRP token. After all, haven't we heard Ripple's CEO hinting that the company's Asian Pacific business has not been negatively affected by the SEC's lawsuit? And the CEO went on to indicate the company's plans to relocate its headquarters outside of the US to countries with a more flexible regulatory framework, where the company enjoys friendlier ties, such as countries within the European and Asian continents. Little wonder why the judge is leaning towards the fair judgment notice. Bet you the United States government is well aware of what it stands to lose should the company move out of the country. Because with or without a win in the ongoing lawsuit, XRP is set to hit more extraordinary highs. As we also have the CEO of the crypto-based gross settlement platform saying, we're seeing the activity of XRP liquidity has grown outside the US and continues to grow in Asia, certainly in Japan. Not to mention that Ripple is looking to launch its IPO any moment now. This brings us to a conclusion. Should the SEC case end, whether good or bad, and should all of Ripple's partnerships and utilities fully roll out, this digital asset could hit 100, 200, 500, or even a 5-digit figure much sooner than anyone would expect. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please consider hitting a like on the video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on post notifications. Remember, you can now support us on Patreon and join our free Discord group via the links in the description. If you have any questions or comments, let us know, and we'll see you next time.
That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.